So, hi, I'm Benjamin Mabi. Nice to meet you. Let's get started by story of my company. So, in fact, I'm the founder and the CIO of BM Finance, a consulting firm. I started in 2003. We are specialized in wealth management. At BM Finance, we pride ourselves in being a team of highly qualified and educated individuals whose mission is to create a better quality of life for our clients by helping them manage secure and stable income. Today, I'm here to clarify and to address to you the concept of the viager, named life annuity in the world. In France, it's viager. And I'm going to explain you what is viager means and the specific history of viager in France. So Viager Life is coming with me today, and they're going to speak after. Right now, we're going to speak about viager and life annuity. The history of the viager in France begins in the 17th century. The idea of the viager starts in the Middle Age in France, but it's really begin in the 20th century. The viager was rapidly known because it was very difficult to have some credits. It was very difficult to have some long loans. So viager was very popular. When you have not a lot of money, it was easy to buy with viager, with life annuity, because the owner do the loans. So today, it's come back, and it's come back very popularly in France because people are living longer and because they need more income to live comfortably in their later years. So the goal of life annuity company like us is to provide the elderly with good senior citizen care. Viager is a common practice all around the world, but it's special and is different in each country. For example, in Spain, with Spain family, it's not the same culture, it's not the same history, and so the Spain family prefer to take care of their elderly at home. While in France, we used to use the retirement homes. It's not the same way to do it. So in America, for example, the annuities are done by bank or by insurance, while us in France, we do it with individual or small or company, but not by banks and insurance. I'm going to try to explain you how work viager, life annuity. I have some sheet for that, not a big one, but small. So that's a real estate, a house, and there is two kinds of life annuity. You can sell for a senior your real estate with occupancy or without occupancy. If you sell the real estate for a senior, that means we're going to say there is two parts in the real estate. The first part will be the property title, and the second part is the right to use it. So that means we split the real estate on two parts. And the property title will be for the new owner. The right to use will be for the senior. And that means the senior stay in this house, and he's going to have some money. So he's going to have a cash amount when he sells it. And he's going to have life annuities all during his life. The life annuity and the cash amount depend of the age of the seller, and it depends of the value of the real estate he sells. And in BM Finance, we always talking with our senior to find what they need, what needs our clients. For example, their monthly cost, will also be taken into consideration to do the life annuity elevation. So let's speak about the annuity. It's very important to understand that the annuity is guaranteed by the mortgage office, who can cancel it if it doesn't pay. So there is a real security on the annuity. The annuity is going to increase every year with an index rate. We used to use the household consumption. And there is also a lot of things are better for senior to sell in life annuity, because the seller, so the senior, will not pay any longer the maintenance of the house. That means they don't will pay anymore the repair of the building if there is a problem with the roof, a roof reparation, if there is problem with elevator, with electricity on the building, they don't pay it at all. That's for the new owner. They don't pay anymore the work at home. That means if the door doesn't work or if there is a problem with the boiler, they don't pay that anymore also. They have less charges, and there is some charges for the occupancy and charges for the landlord. In fact, about the tax, they pay also less land taxes. So that's we do it, and what I speak about is life annuity with occupancy. There is also life annuity without occupancy. Without occupancy, that means they sell it, they are not inside. It's only 5% of what we do. But for example, some people do it because they want to go on retirement homes and they need bigger annuities. They don't need cash amount, they need bigger annuities all their life during, because they want to pay the retirement home and they want to pay a good retirement home. So that's the life annuity without occupancy. They have a bigger set cash amount and a bigger monthly annuity for life. We speak often about mortgage, and mortgage in Viager is not exactly the same thing. In the mortgage, you have, so with the, the reverse mortgage, with the reverse mortgage, you have a big cash amount, but just a cash amount. And in the life annuity, like it's called, you have a cash amount and you have annuity all during your life. That's really the difference. In my conclusion, in what I do and BM Finance company, I would say that Viager, life annuity, it's more money for senior, it's fewer responsibilities, and it's less stress. BM Finance ensures seniors have a better quality of life while staying at home. As a European insurance company and bank could do the same by making life annuities more affordable for the elderly. And in France, France moving forward with the Caisse des dépôts et consignations. The Caisse des dépôts et consignations are going to create a life annuity fund, and the first one in France. And this life annuity fund is going to invest 100 million euro in the life annuity fund to get back the Viager. So thank you for your attention. Now I'm going to give the platform to Raphaël Hébert, who is work for the Viager Life Fund. The Viager Life Fund is the first fund created in Europe. And if you want some brochure, I have some, but I'm sorry, you need to speak French because we didn't do really know English one. Thank you.